8 unique ideas to celebrate eco-friendly Diwali. Diwali, the festival of luster, is banging on our doors, which brings peerless exhilaration and ecstasy spirit among the peeps. During Diwali, earthen diyas signifies the end of darkness and ignorance and gladden up the atmosphere with their sparks all around. Have we ever thought to enlighten ourselves on these festivities by celebrating an environmentally safe and eco-friendly Diwali? Refuse products for Diwali decorations. Say no to polythene for your Diwali shopping. Go firecrackers free. No electric diyas, decorative lights. Give organic, exotic sweet baskets. Best Diwali gift to loved ones. Plants. Welcome drinks in kulhar and food on banana leaves. Male biodegradable Diwali rangolis. On Diwali, we lit diyas to remove anguish over hope and the darkness over light on a moonless night, and thus try to celebrate this clean fest accountable with minimal environmental upshots. Let's take an oath to celebrate Diwali festivity without crackers to reduce the effect of global warming and to minimize the factor of noise and air pollution all around. Go green and have warms and warmths of jubilation without crackers this season. Celebrating Diwali in an eco-friendly way and without crackers gives a sterling message of together we are protecting nature to the society and explicitly decreasing the dangerous risk of pollution and anxiety attacks. Also, give a try to help pets and animals by celebrating a noiseless and pollution-free Diwali. We all know all pets get scared from fireworks as they hate bangs and flashes of crackers. So, keep all your pets inside your home and close all the curtains and doors to make them calm and relaxed throughout the festivities. Animals' perspective on Diwali celebration. Firework on fun. They scare us. Please make it a happy Diwali for our kind. Can we have a Diwali without crackers? The sound hurts our ears. It's not funny when you tie crackers to my tail. Firework can be scary. Remember to keep my friends safe while you celebrate. After Diwali, it's a normal day for you, but days of recovery for us. Seeing you happily burst a cracker breaks my heart just a little. Please save me from loud noise. The crackers you burst feels like a nuclear explosion to us. Please keep this thing in mind that animals are not at all comfortable and feel uneasy with the noise and pollution of the crackers during Diwali. Therefore, let's minimal the toxic and harmful effects of crackers and maximal the joy and happiness with earthen lamps this Diwali. And for dog's sake, have a noiseless Diwali. To get a cascade of knowledge, do like, share and subscribe to Social Curate. Don't forget to press the bell icon.